Over in Center County, Evan Hinckley spoke with the chief medical officer at Mount Nittany Health in-state college to see how they're equipped to handle COVID-19. He joined us now live. So Evan, tell us, what did you learn?
Well, Amanda, Mount Nittany Health reports as of yesterday, they have 13 COVID-19 patients or patients who have tested positive for it. However, they say all of those cases are mild, so all of those patients are simply self-quarantining at home. However, still today, we wanted to check in with the hospital to see how prepared they feel they are if they had to handle patients in more serious cases if they were to come in. Now, the hospital's chief medical officer tells us that they're constantly updating projections to see how many patients they'll likely see. And based on that number, they then look to see if they can handle those patients. Now, right now, the hospital says they feel they're pretty comfortable they can manage any cases, set of cases, even if there's a large surge of them, and this includes serious cases, as they say that they are rather prepared with enough negative pressure rooms and ventilators. Now, they could not give us an exact number on how many ventilators and pressure rooms are available, but that's because some are being used by patients with other infectious diseases. The biggest concern for any type of shortage at the hospital could be protective gear, they say. But right now, that's not an issue, they tell us. Overall, during our phone conversation with the hospital, a doctor there said there's one important message he wanted the public to hear.
Unless you've been living in a cave, pretty much every part of the world has demonstrated that this disease is not sparing anyone, young, old, anywhere in between. And while in the young, in some instances, it may not be severe, but I can tell you that though that's the group that's acting very actively as a vector of transmission of the disease. And it's our moral responsibility and our ethical responsibility to curb the spread of this disease.
Mount Nittany says all 13 patients that are currently self-quarantining at home are under the age of 65. Reporting live in State College, Evan Hinckley, WTAJ News.